Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And slowly, Microsoft is adding capabilities of removing AI models that could end up installed on your Windows PC. So, with the preview update that we've received today, and it actually started rolling out yesterday, July the 28th, there is now, for some of you that have AI models installed, for the first time, they've added a switch, actually a uninstall button, basically. So if you go to your System tab on the left in Settings, and you go way down into AI Components, in my case, there is no AI components currently installed. But if you do, you will have these AI components with an uninstall button. Now, not every AI component has an uninstall for now, but Microsoft says that at some point there will be pretty much a removal switch for all AI components that will end up in Windows. So how do you get an AI model in Windows? Well, it depends on what you're doing. Of course, if you add software that has AI capabilities, some of them will get AI components installed locally. Most of these are on Copilot plus PCs, but it doesn't matter. With the new features rolling out, Microsoft did say that eventually all PCs that, for example, have an NVIDIA graphics GPU could be using AI models that will be functional, actually using the power of your graphics processor. So that means that even if most of us probably have nothing in the AI components right now, at some point, if a update or software or anything installs an AI component, starting with the update today, these AI components will show up here, and you will be able to uninstall them if so desired. Now, unfortunately, still no uninstall for Copilot, pretty much. I know a lot of people would love to have an uninstall for the Copilot AI in Windows, but for now, Microsoft isn't really doing anything to remove that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.